Hey YouTubers, Dr. O here with ATL Cracks with Dr. O, get addicted to the crack. I'm excited to bring you this next video. This was a first timer and I love first timers. She said she watched all of my videos. She thought that they were satisfying by watching them. She's in pain all over. She says she's 29 and she feels like she's 50. I know what she's feeling. Anyway, she had a really good experience, and when she got done, she just said, I just think it's something that you needed, but you didn't know you needed it. So it was kind of cool. Anyway, check it out. Like, subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know what you want to see. ATL Cracks with Dr. O. Get addicted to the crack. Good crack sells itself. And we will see you next time. Good. There we go. Good. Here. There. Good. 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 Prior to this year, I did nothing. I didn't do any videos or anything.
Really?
Just in January I started doing it.
And look at you now.
I know, I just didn't expect, I didn't know. I just thought, why would anybody, like a mechanic if they're working on a car, why would anybody want to watch them working on a car?
It's satisfying.
I know, but it's kind of what I do, so
Yeah.
I don't like it, you know what I'm saying? I get
Right.
it, I really do understand it from most patients, but from my perspective, it's just what I do.
Right.
So I kind of take it for granted, like, you really want to watch this? But it's, yeah, people want to watch it.
Yeah,
It's
they like to
satisfying.
hear it.
Exactly.
I think I watched all your videos.
Yeah!
I think I went through and just watched all your videos.
ATL Cracks, we got somebody already addicted, but it's your first time?
Yes.
You know how excited I get when it's first time?
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. I love
I'm
it.
excited, I'm ready.
You should be ready. So I asked everybody the same question because you watched the videos. You said you watched all of them. In your words, why? When you looked at him and said, okay, I want to go see this guy. What was
I mean, personally, I'm in pain everywhere. I'm just stiff.
That's a big reason.
I'm just stiff everywhere. My job is really physical. And then it just, everybody's after reaction, they started laughing. So I was like, okay, it can't be that bad.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, some people are a little shocked. I feel like that's going to be my reaction. But I've seen people laughing too, so I was like, okay.
I don't know how to encourage you, but to just let you know, just let it all out.
Just breathe.
I'm telling you, you'll get a better experience if you do that.
Okay.
You know, we're all family here, it's all good.
Yes, sir.
So you said to me that the reason you're really coming in is because you're in pain.
Yes.
Where are you in pain?
Really my whole upper body, my shoulders.
All up in here?
All up in here, my lower back. I have a job where I'm on my knees a lot and I'm doing a lot of bending and lifting boxes and hand trucks.
What are you doing?
I work for Frito-Lay. I'm a raw sales representative.
Oh, okay.
So I drive a lot and I deliver the chips and I put them up in merchandise. So it's just a lot of moving.
A lot of bending.
And number two, I know I need a new mattress.
Okay. And before I do anything, I'm going to feel around and find out what's bothering you.
Okay.
And I'm going to adjust you from literally head to toe.
Okay.
So a lot of patients are like, well, I just hurt here, I just hurt there.
I hurt everywhere.
Right, so you heard, all right, so she's easy.
I hurt everywhere.
Okay. It makes sense for you to adjust her head
I'm
to toe.
29, I feel like I'm 50.
You're 29?
Yes.
Oh no, we're going to get you in. I got a very strong feeling we're going to get her addicted to the crack. She's never experienced it, and it's going to really be an amazing experience. I'm looking forward to it.
All right, me
Cool.
too.
All right, let's get this party started.
All right.
Where the owie spots are. I'm going to feel some spots and then maybe a little sore. And I feel a couple already, kind of low. Like right there. You feel that one right there? Yeah. Because I feel that on the left side. Does either side, when you turn your head, let's turn it to the right.
Okay.
Turn it this way and turn it to the left. Either one of those feel maybe more restricted.
It's usually turning to the right. Today it's not that bad, but turning to the right hurts more.
It hurts more.
Yeah.
How about looking up towards the ceiling?
No.
Going down towards your chest and taking this ear down to this shoulder.
Okay, that's...
You feel that?
Yeah.
How about this ear down to this shoulder? You feel it?
Yeah, both ways.
Okay, so I want you to remember what that felt like.
Okay.
Because we're going to adjust it and it's going to get better.
Okay.
All right? So I'm going to walk you through it, especially since I know I'm climbing up, I'm going to fall.
Okay.
If I fall, will you catch me, Amber?
I'll try.
You'll try? But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to adjust your neck.
Okay.
I don't know how else to describe it other than it's going to feel strange. I promise you it won't hurt.
Okay.
It's going to startle you.
Okay.
When you hear the little pops and cracks, people usually think, I can't believe how loud that was. Did you hear that?
Right.
What is that? Are those my bones cracking? So let's address all that.
Okay.
First off, it's not your bones cracking.
Okay.
In between the joint space of your bones, there's a little articular tissue in there, or gap where there's gas stored up.
Okay.
So maybe when you're doing your job and you get those little, those little packing bubbles, you guys have that stuff?
Mm-hmm.
And you pop them, what's inside those bubbles?
Air.
Yeah, there you go. So that's essentially, it's not really air, but it's nitrogenous gas.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's making that popping noise.
Okay.
Whether that makes you feel any better or not, I don't know. But I'm just keeping it real that you understand. It's not your bones cracking.
Okay.
All right? So, your hair is perfect. Thank you for having a little tie here. I'm going to kind of feel around.
Okay.
All right? And I'll just walk you through what I want you to do.
Okay.
The key is, in everything I do with your neck and your head, is to let your head, the weight of your head, drop into my hand. I'll tell you when.
Okay.
But just let the weight kind of drop. I'll tell you.
Okay.
You're doing great. I'm going to come right underneath your ear.
Okay.
Kind of right here. And I'm going to take your head and just kind of bring it down this way.
Okay.
Again, the weight of your head, if you can just drop it into my hand here. There you go. That was good. So I bring my head down. I'm just going to bring this shoulder down like this.
Okay.
Let it come down just a little bit more. And then we're going to come straight up.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay.
Did I hit the funny bone? Did I hit the funny bone?
No, you didn't. I don't know. Like you said, I don't even have words. Just, okay. All right, it wasn't bad.
Good. See? We're getting a little trust. I told you it wasn't
It
gonna be
wasn't bad at all.
I wasn't lying, right?
You wasn't lying.
But
you wasn't lying.
it's strange, right?
Yeah.
And it kind of shocked you a little.
Yeah.
You did great.
Thank you.
All
Okay.
right. We're ready to move on.
All right.
You ready for the next one?
I'm ready.
All right. So I want you to kind of get used to it, and we're going to build up to the what I call the main event, but
Okay.
the money shot. But we're going to drop this down.
Okay.
Drop this down, just like that. There you go. Hang in there like that. Bring this shoulder down just a little bit. Good. I'm coming in here. Good.
Whew. All right.
Woo.
All right.
How's it feel?
It feels good. Oh my God, it feels good. Okay.
You notice the difference already?
I do. I can turn without feeling it's like a
That little catch, right?
yeah. Okay.
All right. We're not done yet.
Okay. Great.
All right. So this one's a little different.
Okay.
I'm going to move my hand kind of right here, and you're going to let your head just drop down this way.
Okay.
Now again, the weight of your head's 13 pounds.
Okay.
Right now you're giving me about 3.
Okay.
I need you to drop a little more into my hand. There you go. See, that was so good. Just drop it down a little bit more. Look straight up. There you go.
Oh my God. It's like I'm woo, I don't even it's just a shock every time. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Feel a little tingle there.
Yes, that's
Okay.
good.
Feel a little tingle.
So somebody on Instagram said today that it looks painful and refreshing.
Yeah.
And I said, I don't necessarily
It's
think
not painful. It's
Right?
not painful
That's
at
what
all.
I said, I have to tell you, it might look painful, but it's not, it is refreshing.
It's refreshing.
But it's not painful, right?
No.
Let's see. It looks painful though. When you watch it, I totally understand that it might look that way. But it really isn't. Oh, your neck feels so much better now, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Like, it doesn't even hurt when you're doing that anymore.
You remember when I first did it?
Yes.
You felt those, what I call the owie spots? No more owie spots, huh?
It's no more owie spots.
Ooh, boy, I feel a big difference.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Just kind of move it around.
I'm excited. Like, it feels great.
Do you feel like a bobblehead yet?
It's very loose. It is loose. I'm not used to it being so loose.
You don't remember it ever
I
being
don't
loose,
remember
right?
it being loose.
That's great.
It's been a while.
Awesome. I'm going to come in like this. Just relax it. Relax it.
Oh, okay. I felt that in my lower back.
You did good.
Yeah, I felt the lower back.
You felt it in your ankle though too.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard it. I felt it in your ankle.
Okay.
And you felt it in your lower back.
I felt it in my lower back.
Oh boy, I can't wait. This is so much fun. Good. Good.
Okay. That feels good.
It feels good, right?
It feels good.
That was not even nearly as intense as your neck, though, right?
Yeah, no, not at all. Mm-mm.
I'm gonna get you really tight now, like this. There you go. Bring your head up. I'm gonna get right in between your shoulder blades, right here. I'm gonna bring you back, and now bring your head back.
Okay.
Talk to me. What'd you feel?
Relief. And I felt it in my shoulder as well.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
How's the breathing?
Good. Good.
Good.
All right.
All right.
Good.
On to the next.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. No, we'll just say. Okay. There we go. Okay. Not too much. There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
There go there,
I
Ray.
knew it was in there. I had to sneak that one. Okay, so relax here, relax here.
Ow. Okay, that one had a little oomph to it. Okay.
How's it feel now?
It feels loose. I feel like a noodle.
That's good.
It feels good. It feels good.
It shocked you a little.
Yeah, that one had a little bang to
little
it, but
like-
it wasn't bad. It didn't.
Wow. Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right.
Okay. Ooh. Good. Okay, hang in there. Good. Not a lot in there. Okay, just relax
Right.
here. Relax. Good. There we go. I know it's crazy. I know. It's gonna feel better. You can do like a noodle.
Yeah. All right.
Doesn't that feel wild?
I'm sorry?
Does that feel wild?
It does. It does. I never felt my elbow pop.
And I'm gonna bring your chin up just a little bit higher, just like that. I'm gonna come right underneath here, okay, Amber? Just kind of relax. Good. Good.
Oh, my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, I felt it all the way to my butt. Oh my
Was that
God.
lying? Didn't I say that?
Whew, yes, you did. Oh my God.
You didn't know what to expect.
No. Whew.
How do you describe it? It's hard to, right?
It's hard. It's just like a boom. It's just like a little wave all the way through. It just, whew. It feels
How
good.
you feeling though? Yeah.
It feels good.
Does it feel like, in a way, it like just reduced some tension in your whole body?
Yes, yes. Especially my lower back.
I didn't even touch your lower back, did I?
And no, you didn't. But I feel it all the way down there. Oh my gosh.
On 3. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
Whew. Whew, okay.
Where'd you feel that?
In the middle of the neck.
You did?
Yeah.
Right where it was kind of
Right where it was hurting, yeah.
Yep. See, it's like you probably didn't think there was any more left in there.
Mm-mm.
That's like my cleanup. It cleans up. It brings out the last little bit.
Right.
And you don't even know this, but when I bring them up, the right one looks a little longer here.
Okay.
Any issues with your right knee, your right hip? Right side. Okay. Right side of your low back. Right shoulder. No. Okay. They don't have to, but you know, you're off a little bit here. So I'm gonna put my hand here and my hand here and just kind of stretch. Feel that?
Oh yes.
It feels good, right?
Yeah.
It hurts, but it's good, right?
It feels so good.
Yeah. So we're just gonna keep stretching. I know it's kind of intense, right? Yeah. Yeah. I gotta get you to do some of this at home too, right? It feels good.
Yes.
Good. Good. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust this.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put a little pressure in there.
Okay.
You'll probably hear a little crack.
Okay.
Right here, good. I'm gonna come around here, good. Good. know you felt that.
Yeah. It's just like I just don't expect when it's happening. Like, whoo, that felt good.
It felt good, right?
Yes. Oh my
You
God.
felt the crack, right?
Yes, I felt it.
It went.
It was.
Yeah. How's it feel now? Just laying there.
Feel good.
Right?
Yes, it feels so
It
good.
feels so good, doesn't it?
Yes.
It's such a.
I think that's just a area that hurts me
Yes.
on a regular, so it feels good.
I'm gonna come in here like this. Good. Good.
Oh,
Ooh.
oh, that one was good.
That was a good one.
Oh, that one was good. That was a good one. Oh my God. Whew.
It's like you didn't know you could get that.
I didn't even know I needed that. I needed that. Oh, that was a good one.
I know. Look at that. Look at that. Now they're nice and balanced. That is so good. Good.
Looser
How you
and
feeling?
breathing. I feel like I can breathe a little more. I feel good.
You do, huh?
Yes.
Was it what you expected, or did you have any expectations?
I didn't have any expectations because
You
I didn't
didn't
know.
know. You
Yeah.
didn't know.
I didn't know, and then I feel good.
That's good.
Yes.
Especially when I did that low back one, I could tell
Yes.
you just looked
That
at me.
one was.
You were like, that's the one I needed.
That's the one. That was the one right there. Oh my God. Yes.
What? So someone that never had it done, right? And we're talking to somebody out there, and they say, "Well, what did it feel like to you?"
Right.
Like, how do you describe? Because I know people say that like it looks painful.
Mm-hmm.
You already admitted it doesn't.
It wasn't painful.
What is it? What is it like in your words?
It wasn't painful. It was relieving. It was more so relieving. Definitely a shocker. It's really no way to explain it.
Yes.
But you just felt relief. That's all I can say. You feel the relief. It's something that you never knew you needed, but you need.
Yeah. There you go.
It's like you never knew you really needed it. Like my neck feels so good. Like I feel like I can feel my head.
And before, let's do that. Remember before when you kind of turned and you turned to the, you said when you turned to the right, and then when we went side to side, do that now. What's different about it now? Remember when you're doing the ears to the shoulder like that? And you kinda,
It feels fine.
it just feels loose, right?
Yeah, it
Like, you
feels
don't feel-
loose. I don't feel the tension. I don't feel the restraint that, I don't know, I'm not a doctor. I don't feel the restraint. The muscle was pulling back.
Well, here's the thing. You know,
Okay.
you know how many people are out there with the exact same thing that you have, and they're like, I didn't know I could go away. I just thought that was
Yeah, I thought that was it. Yeah.
Like that's just what am I gonna do? Get a massage? And I'm not saying massage. I love massage, right? But sometimes it doesn't always help. You get I love acupuncture, but sometimes that doesn't help. Like whatever it is to make you help is what you need to do. So when you get this done, though, you notice kind of an immediate response, and it's like, whoa! It's like the light switch I said. What's going on now? Well, awesome! Your first experience. I'm so excited.
It was good.
I hope you had a good experience.
It was good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming in from IG, which is cool. ATL cracks.
Yes, sir.
ATL cracks with
Yes,
Dr. O. Get addicted.
With Dr. O.
With Dr. O. Get addicted to the crack.
I'm addicted.
She's addicted. Hey.
I don't want to let you go.
Hey, just want to let you know. I love my patients.
I don't want to let you go.
See, good crack sells itself. I'm telling you. We'll see you next time.